This is how you can take your APX Swatch Royal Pop from boring old pocket watch to full-blown wristwatch. And this looks way better than how this collab originally came out. For the case, I headed over to Wrist Buddies. This video isn't sponsored and they didn't send this over to me for free. I just really liked how they allowed you to independently change the color and style of the outer case and the strap to create a really unique look. Took a couple of weeks for shipping, but it's totally worth the wait. First, you'll want to take your Royal Pop and by applying gentle pressure on the back, detach the watch itself from the outer hanger. Open up the Wrist Buddies package, and then take the body of the Royal Pop, line it up with the grooves on the inside of the Wrist Buddies case, and press down to snap it into place. And that's it. It couldn't be easier. And again, this new finished product just looks so much better than the pocket watch style that originally came out from Swatch. I'll leave links to everything down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments on the AP Swatch Royal Pop collab, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.